What is up? It's Curtis back with another review. Today I have the GEVI coffee maker. This is a grinder and a regular coffee maker in one, which is super helpful here. We have all the nice features. There's the hopper for your beans, and we have the side button there that pops open. Go ahead and press that. It'll pop open your filter basket area where you're going to empty all your filter, add in your you're going to add in your ground coffee if that's how you choose to make it. That snaps right back in. Overall, this thing is super sweet. We have the water tank here. So, whoops, going to go ahead and shut that. And the water tank is the max of 10 cups with a 10-cup carafe, which I'll show you then. Go ahead and pop that top open, and you're going to go ahead and put the water right in there. We're going to go ahead and grab some water here, and we'll be right back. All right, so we got about a little over 4 cups of water here, almost 6. And go ahead and pour that right into the water tank, and you'll see the levels on the side go up with the water as you pour it to always show you how much water you have in your coffee machine, which is super nice. Go ahead and give that a little shut, and we're going to go ahead and turn this coffee maker back around and get down to some of the nitty-gritty. Go ahead and put your carafe right under there, and we'll move on to the next part. Okay, so here's the main program area. We have program, grind. You can turn the grind off, which will have the light on.
This button for coffee concentration.
Strength control, we have like the light, medium, and dark roast. Go ahead and toggle through those. The powder, which is the 2 to 10 cups, which we'll get to next.
This button here will control the amount of coffee in terms of cups. So however much coffee you want to brew, this button is for you.
Hour and the last 2 buttons are just to set the time on the coffee maker, which I didn't really care to do because I have clocks everywhere else. On the top here, we have the grind knob here, strongest to, not stronger. So that's what that is. And moving on, we have the hopper. I have these nice Colombian Peaks, which is my favorite coffee beans. I'm going to pour them right into the hopper, and I'm going to give this baby a start so you can see what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and take our dial to the setting. I like it at about 3. We're going to
make sure the grind off button is not lit up. Going to go ahead and use the knob up here. I like my coffee at about a 3. That's just my personal preference.
Go ahead and we're going to hit the on button, and you will see the magic happen here as the hopper will start to activate, and you can see the beans in there right now. It'll automatically pull the beans down the hopper, sift them through, and grind them. From here, the beans are going to go right down into the filter and make that powdered coffee as if you were putting powdered coffee or already pre-ground coffee into the filter basket. Instead, this is just going to make the fresh ground coffee instead of the pre-made ground coffee. So we'll let this do its thing for a little bit and be right back. So after it's done grinding, this puppy will start making the coffee, and you can see it's working flawlessly. It doesn't take much time at all. It does save the beans up there for next time, but this thing is going to work. So here we have our nice coffee, and all we're going to do, you see we have a nice pot of coffee here, a little over 4 cups like I noted. Kind of pour that right into our mug, and you'll see the nice pure coffee this coffee maker produces. And let me tell you what, it was absolutely delicious. Place that carafe back on there, keeps it warm. Overall, really loving this coffee maker.